Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. In this video series for logarithm, this is the third part. If you have not watched the first two parts, please do watch them. In the first part, we discussed about what is base, what is argument, what is exponent, and what happens if we switch these base and arguments among themselves. If we take the reciprocal, okay, how do we get the negative power? Okay, so that thing was related to the first video. In the second video, we talked about powers here. Let us say if we raise to power x or if we raise this to some power, what happens to the exponent? In this video, we are going to discuss a couple of properties, which is addition and subtraction in logarithms. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also join my Telegram group for MBA preparation. The two properties that we are going to discuss in this video are addition and subtraction, and we'll take up some examples of it. So in logarithms, if we multiply two numbers, if we like see this is the equation. So let's say if I say log 3 7 plus log 3 10, that becomes log 3 70. So you can write this on the left hand side, this on the right hand side, either way you can write it. So if there is a product of two numbers, so that can be separated as sum of two logarithms, or the opposite way around, like if we have two logarithms being added with the same base, then you multiply those numbers. The reverse is also true. So the reverse is like if you subtract two things, then you get the division for it. So let us say if we have log 2 40 minus log 2 5, so that will be equal to log 2 8, 40 divided by 5, and that will be equal to 3. So this is another property that is used for simplification. Okay, so these two properties, let us solve some simplification problems and some more problems based on these properties. So suppose we have this expression log 5 7 plus log 5 13. So when we have to add, the base is same, so we can multiply. That will be log 5 91. Now this is log 255 minus log 2 5. So we can say log 2 55 divided by 5, which is log 2 11. Log 12 9 plus log 12 16. So this becomes log 12 9 into 16, log 12 144. Now 144 is 12 square. So we can say that it is equal to 2 because 12 square is 144. Now let us say we have to simplify this. So log 8 is the base. This involves addition, so we will do 32 into 24, and this involves subtraction. That means we will divide by 30. Okay, so we will get, if we multiply this, divide, this will be 16 by 15, and further we can divide by 3, that is 8 and 5. So it becomes log 8 128 by 5. So this is how we simplify this. Now this can further be written as log 8 128 minus log 8 5. Now at times you might not be given such a choice. Like if we do this calculation, we get this value log 8 128 by 5. Now the options may not look like this. So you can further simplify it. How? If you remember in the previous video, I talked about some powers, like 8 is 2 to the power 3 and 128 is 2 to the power 7. So can it be written as log 2 to power 3 and 2 to power 7 minus log 8 5. Now this becomes, and when we have power here it comes to the numerator, when we have power here it goes to the denominator. So 7 by 3 log 2. So this basically is log 2, 2 is 1 only. Okay, so it becomes 7 by 3 minus log 8, 5. Now there might be some questions where you are given this expression and the answer options are like this. So you need to simplify applying the properties. So what all properties you are learning through these videos, try to use the combination of these properties in simplifications and other sort of questions. Let us simplify this expression. So this is log 25. Now base is same. So we can say 6 into 5 into 3, 2, because it is addition, and wherever we have subtraction, that goes to the denominator part. Okay, so we divide by 4 and 3. So 4 into 3, 12. So this becomes log 25, 5. Now if you remember the first video, I told you that 5 square is 25. So you would say log 525 is 2, because 5 square is 25. Now when we are switching these, this becomes the reciprocal. So this equals 1 by 2. So when we switch these two, this becomes reciprocal, and hence the answer is 1 by 2. So this is how we simplify logarithms using these two properties. Now let us see some more examples. This was related to simplification. Let us say we have to find the value of some logarithms and we are given certain logarithm. Okay, so we are given log 2, we are given the value of log 3, we have to find the value of log 72. Now these kind of questions you may expect in examinations like NMAT, SNAP, etc. Now log 2 is given to us and log 3 is given to us, we have to find 72. Now you will say 3 into 2 is not 72. But 72 can be written as 9 into 8. 9 is 3 square, 8 is 2 cube. So if you have to find log 1072, can we say that it is log 10? So when we have multiplication, we can separate it in the form of addition. Right? We had multiplication, we bifurcated it in the form of addition. Now, within this also we know the value of log 2 and log 3. So this can further be written as log 10 3 square plus log 10 2 cube. Now when we have power, it becomes 2 log 10 3 plus 3 log 10 2. So 2 log 10 3, log 10 3 is 0.477, it becomes 0.954, and 3 into 301. 301 into 3 is 903. So 954, 9803, 1857. So 1.857 is the answer to this expression. So this is how we are given the logarithmic values of some numbers. We can find for the others, finding some relation between these numbers. Let us try another question. It says that log 10 2 is 0.301 and log 7 is 0.845. We need to find the value of log 35. Okay. Now you must be thinking that 35 is 5 into 7. Okay, 7 is being used, but 2 is not used. How can we use it? Now see this, when we have base 10, so log 10, 10 will be 1. So think this way, that log 10, we can find the value of log 10, that is 1. We can find the value of log 2, we can find the value of log 7. Now, instead of this, if I say that it is 10 into 7 by 2, 10 into 7 by 2 is 35. So can I say that log 1035 is equal to log 10, 10 into 7 by 2. So wherever we have multiplication, we will add it log 10, 10. plus log 10 7 minus, because it is division, whatever is denominator we subtract it. Simple. Now log 10 10 is 1, log 7 is given as 845, and this is 301. So 845 minus 301 is 544, 1.544. That is our answer. So through these two examples, we saw that how can we find logarithmic value of another number using the log values of some of the numbers. Let's take another example. This was a question which was asked in SNAP. So it says log 85 is b. We have to find the value of log 410 in terms of b. Okay. Now, how do you solve this kind of question? This will require knowledge of this video plus the knowledge of previous video. ठीक है, तो आपको दोनों knowledge पता होनी चाहिए. Now, when we see 5 and 10, they look okay. 5 का multiple है 10. Also, 8 is what? 2 cube, and 4 is what? 2 square. So we have different bases. Okay. So can we say that log 2 to the power 3 5 is equal to b? Similarly, we need to find, this is given, and we have to find log 2 square 10. Okay, this is what we need to find. So let's do one thing. First, let us simplify, but let's find the value of b. So log 2 to the power 3 is 2 to the power 3 5 is b. So this becomes log 1 by 3, because it is power in the base, so that becomes 1 by 3. Log 2 5 is equal to 3b. Okay, so this value is 3b. Now we need to find this value. So we can say that log 2 2 is half log 2 10. Now you will say we know the value of, we do not know the value of log 2 10, because the base is 2, it is not 10. So if the base was 10, you would say equal to 1, but the base is 2. But we know the value of log 2 5. So this can be simplified as half of log 2 5 into 2. That becomes half of log 2 5 into log 2 2. So log 2 5 we calculated as 3b, and log 2 2 is 1. So this means the answer is option C. So this is how we apply these properties of addition and subtraction of logarithms that turn into multiplication and division of numbers, and also related to the powers. So you have watched 3 videos. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss some more properties and some more varieties of questions that you can expect in the examination. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to my channel. If you are preparing for CAT and are looking for a weekend batch which started recently, you can enroll in my classes. The link is given in the description of this video. It includes live classes, some recorded concept videos, practice sheets with all the classes, doubt classes, and full length mock tests. So you can check out, you can start the free trial and see the sample classes, and then decide if you wish to enroll in it. If you wish to enroll section wise, that is also available. You may enroll in particular sections as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for great content on MBA exam preparation. So this was part 3. Watch the previous parts and wait for the upcoming ones, and do watch the entire playlist.